with high-definition LCD display, 8 times magnification, optical image stabilization function, and millimeter wave radar technology. The AIMTech Golf Rangefinder makes your every swing more accurate and confident. Have you ever hesitated over club selection and swing? Golf is a battle with yourself. Every swing is a decision. Let AIMTech be your AI golf companion. Real-time measurement of distance, wind speed, wind direction, and slope data up to 1,100 yards of range. And algorithms for a 0.3-second instant lock. Turn on optical image stabilization. 380 yards flag lock with vibration, clear, steady, and reliable. In the AI training mode, AIMTech combines target distance with history data to give the best club and training advice, and to create a personalized training plan. Swing recording based on millimeter wave sensing accurately records club speed, ball speed, distance, hitting efficiency. Meanwhile, the golf bag management feature intelligently recommends the optimal club based on your swing data. All that intelligence is built on precise ranging. Slope mode shows real uphill, downhill carry distance. Caddy mode. Let your friends be your reliable assistants. Get closer to the pin. Keep surpassing your former self. AIMTech, AI-powered 3-in-1 optical stabilization. Radar, rangefinder, make golf sharper, smarter, and friendships stronger.